Hello everyone, welcome back to another Ink and Metal crash course video. Now that we've covered what outreach is, we're going to answer the first question. What if we run out of ideas? Well, you won't. If you understand the categories there are in outreach, you will justify the limit is the sky. Outreach can be divided into three separate categories: informational, educational, and practical. So let's go one by one. Well, what is informational outreach? This type of outreach is typically providing information to an audience to interest them in wanting to dive deeper into the topic. And typically, these events heavily rely on presentations to convey the needed information and live demonstrations at times. Well, what's an example of this? A typical event as this our team does is called a first presentation. We develop a presentation that discusses what is first, the program it offers, and the benefits of participating. Now, take a careful look. All the information is not something the audience will need to learn, rather something that the audience needs to know. However, this event needs to lead to something. This event by itself will interest the audience to want something more grand. So to go with the audience in the presentation, you can show the robot and functionality so the audience will get further interested to build one under a first competition, and you can show them around how the robot works. Let's move to the next category, educational. Being honest, this is the most done outreach in the first community. The best example of this is tutoring or simply teaching classes through which you will be teaching new skills to an audience. For example, you can teach robotics concepts. This falls under education because they're learning a new skill and they're relying on you to understand. Pretty straightforward, right? And finally, practical outreach is basically working on projects that directly involve personal skills of robotics to solve a problem in the community. A personal example is our team's trash machine, which consists of a wooden frame with a moving box that scans and disposes waste in their respective bins of recycling, compost, and landfill. Taking a deeper glance, we have used our knowledge in the motors, servos, go build-up parts, and woodworking to construct this project. This project aims to educate people about where waste belongs and engraves this thought into their heads, reducing contamination in the future. Using these three categories, you can prioritize and diversify your outreach idea to fit in either one. And remember that these three categories are equally important and have a different sphere of impact. See you in the next video. Bye.